All right, solve this linear system. So, all right, we got m's and n's this time. Doesn't really matter. I think the easiest one here is probably to solve for m first, right? Get m on its own. So let's do that. So we'll just subtract 5n from both sides. So minus 5n minus 5n. So we get m is equal to 70 minus 5n. Or negative 5n plus 70, you'll get the same answer either way, right? So, all right, so there's one of our equations, and there's the other. So let's write that one out again. So this was 2m is equal to 10 minus 2.2n. All right, so m is equal to this, right? So this is going to be going in right there, right? That's what m is. It's equal to 70 minus 5n. So we'll throw that in. So this will be 2, and then instead of an m, I got 70 minus 5n, and that's equal to 10 minus 2.2n. All right. So now this one isn't really any harder. We just have decimals, right? So we just have some, we just might have to throw or bring the calculator out this time. So we will multiply the 2 in. So that's going to be 140 minus 10n is equal to 10 minus 2.2n. All right, so the idea is, like on the last questions, we just collected like terms at this point, right? But the problem now is they're on the wrong side, right? So I think what I'm going to do, let's bring the 10 in. So I'm going to add 10n to both sides, and I'll just do one at a time so you can see it. So plus 10n, so we got 140 is equal to 10, and then we've got negative 2.2n, so negative 2.2 plus 10, right? So that's going to be 7.8, so positive 7.8 n. And then we'll subtract 10 from both sides, so minus 10. So we get 130 is equal to 7.8 n. And then we're just going to divide both sides by 7.8. So 130 divided by 7.8 is 16.6 repeated, or 16.7 is equal to n. All right, almost done. Okay, so we'll start again with this equation because we want m now. So m is equal to 70 minus 5n. So then m is equal to 70 minus 5 times, and then n was 16.7. Okay, so m is equal to negative 13.5. And there you go. So one thing here, just notice that the way I answered this, I had to round this 16.7, and that ended up probably giving me this one a little bit off too, because I had to put 16.7 in there. The other thing that we could have done to be a bit more accurate is we could have rewrote this 2.2 at the beginning here as 22 over 10, or 11 over 5, right? We could have just rewritten the expression as 2m is equal to 10 minus 11 over 5n, right? And then we have a fraction, and it's kind of annoying, but we would have ended up getting the proper fractions in the end there. But I think for now, that was just as we're getting our bearings here, this is probably good just to leave it as a decimal. But we will be doing questions like that, so